Hey guys, wonder what to make for a nice treat? Red velvet cupcakes. Today I'll show you how to make some of those with some lemon frosting. Well, vanilla but with a bit of lemon flavor in it. Preheat the oven to 350. First, start by adding 2.5 cups of flour in a bowl. And then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And here's a 1.5 cups of sugar, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you want to mix that in thoroughly. Yeah. Next step, the wet ingredients. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Then put 1 stick of butter, 8 tablespoons to be exact, into the mixture. And then 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. 2 if you're using beet juice with lemon. Then you want to mix that up fast. Then add the dry ingredients in, 1/3 at a time. And then mix that up. So, get the cake batter into the cupcake liners. So, here's the cupcakes. They're about almost full, so put those into the oven and bake for 25 minutes. So then, when you pull the cupcakes out, poke them with a toothpick to make sure they're done. Now, to make the frosting. So that's 2 cups of powdered sugar, have a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 stick of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, also squeeze in a bit of lemon juice. There. There's actually a recipe for 16, so bake some on a 12 cupcake baking sheet, and then bake 4 more with the remaining batter. And now I'm just putting on the frosting, topping the cupcakes with that. So now we have a new critic. This is Pua. I go to school with her. Here, try.
Okay.
That's red velvet cupcakes with vanilla frosting.
I like vanilla.
Stay. Good dog.
Okay, just take a bite.
Yep, you don't listen.
Delicious, huh?
Very good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and try out this recipe. And we'll see you in the next video.